All my dear students, 5 bonus questions. It's really NTA's blunder. 5 bonus question, लेकिन NTA देगा या नहीं देगा? It all depends on you, my dear students. Before telling you these 5 questions, let me tell you, make it viral. Share it to everyone. Because if you're not raising your voice, people remember that NTA will give only the most appropriate, and most appropriate is nothing. Whatever the answer given by NTA will say it's most appropriate. Now, let me talk about this question. Yesterday also I have shared it that the most appropriate answer is definitely the most appropriate answer. If I talk about the most appropriate answer, the NTA will say this is second is the most appropriate answer. According to NTA, second is the most appropriate answer. Now people will say they are using drastic condition. So if you are doing side chain oxidation, if I talk about side chain oxidation that is given in NCERT, that anything, any alkyl group which is attached over here, which is having alpha hydrogen, that on reaction with K2 Cr2O7 in acidic medium, and heat is given, heat wherever the strong oxidizing agent and heat is used, that is known as what? Drastic condition also. So this CH3, see, remember that the formula of both the two compounds are same. This is also not giving Phalenx test, and this will also not give Phalenx test, and this CH3 will convert into COH. So these two are the correct answer, but NTA will go for this option. But that's the mistake. I would like to say that the mistake of NTA, if NTA is given just this answer, both two are the correct answer. Now see, another question, my dear students. Select the reagents that reduces nitrile RCN to primary amine. That means RCH2NH2, my dear students. So LiLH12 will do that. H2 nickel will do that. Mendes reduction. So ACD, definitely examiner will go for second option ACD. But my dear students, tin also is going to do the same thing. If I'm using SnCl2HCl and hydrolysis, then it will get converted into aldehyde. But right now, this is also the appropriate answer. So I would like to go for A, B, C, D. All 4 are the correct answers. E is not the correct answer, but A, B, C, D is not getting matched. So A, B, C is also the answer, but NTA will go for this only. NTA will go for this only. So if you have marked this first as the answer, then you have to raise your voice, because both two are the correct answer. Once again, this question is for bonus question, or 2 answers are correct. The earlier one also 2 options are correct, because benzaldehyde does not get Phalenx test, acetophenone also does not give Phalenx test, and both are going to give sodium bicarbonate test. So exactly both of these 2 are exactly correct. Now my dear students must think like that. This is acetone, and acetone जो है वो drastic condition means if you are using strong oxidizing agent along with temperature. So in both the cases you are using, people are saying that this is ketone and it will give COH. Side chain oxidation also will do the same thing. Now my dear student, these are the 2 chemistry bonus questions. Now if I talk about, this is your bio question, and this is also I had a talk with number of HODs of bio, and they are saying this should go for bonus. If you're raising your voice, this has to go for bonus. Bio question, 1 bio question, 2 chemistry question. Now let's see, this is your physics question. Maximum people are saying that no option is getting matched. Some are saying second, some are saying fourth, and maximum people are saying no option is getting matched. So once again, this is physics question, has to go for bonus. Now one more question of physics, because now NTA will say once the sign convention is not given, we have to consider the velocity in the upward direction. So they will give answer like that. But sign convention is missing over here, my dear students. Sign convention nahi diya gaya hai. So once again, this has to be bonus question, but it depends on you people कि आप आवाज उठा रहे हो कि नहीं। मेरे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आवाज नहीं उठाओगे तो एनटीए नहीं मानेगा। बट मैक्सिमम टीचर, yesterday only I have given this has to be bonus question, पता नहीं टीचर्स भी यही आंसर दे रहे हैं, क्यों उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि सिर्फ ये आंसर नहीं है, जबकि ये भी आंसर सही है 100%, क्योंकि सारी कंडीशंस मैच कर रही हैं। 2,4 डीएनपी टेस्ट दोनों देंगे, दोनों 2,4 डीएनपी टेस्ट देंगे, दोनों ही फेलिक्स टेस्ट नहीं देंगे, दोनों ही ड्रेसिडिक ऑक्सीडेशन में क्रोमिक एसिड, क्रोमिक एसिड क्या होता है, व्हाट इज क्रोमिक एसिड, K2Cr2O7 H2SO4 acidic medium and heat, it will produce H2CrO4. This is chromic acid. So chromic acid इसको भी COH में convert करेगा, और chromic acid side chain mechanism is different. This is the oxidation of ketone, right? And this is side chain oxidation, but K2Cr27 will do the same thing, and they are giving positive sodium bicarbonate test. कौन देता है sodium bicarbonate test? जिसका भी acidic strength H2CO3, that's pKa is equal to 6.4 से ज्यादा होता है, तो डेफिनेटली दोनों ही देंगे। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर, रेज योर वॉइस, आवाज उठाइए इस क्वेश्चन के लिए, आवाज उठाइए इस क्वेश्चन के लिए। इट्स माय हाथ जोड़ के हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू एनटीए, प्लीज give marks to all these students, really they deserve, not bonus, then बोनस नहीं दे सकते हो तो जिन्होंने दोनों मार्क्स, दोनों में से एक भी मार्क किया उनको मार्क्स दीजिए। यहां पे भी दोनों में से एक भी मार्क किया उनको मार्क्स दीजिए। इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू एनटीए, ऑल द बेस्ट।